Welcome to Mr. English Flow.
English for everyone. Let's make learning fun.
Join us.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's podcast.
Hi, everyone. I'm Alice. How are you today?
I'm great, thank you. And you, Alice?
I am good too. Today we will talk about shopping.
Yes, shopping is fun and it's very useful for learning English.
That's right. Today we will talk about shopping. Everything from making a shopping list to buying items to paying and even returning items.
And we will show you all the important phrases you need. Don't worry, we will go slow and repeat everything.
And if you like our podcast, please
Like and subscribe.
Thank you. Okay, let's start.
Alice, I need to go shopping today.
Oh, what do you need to buy, David?
I need fruits, vegetables, milk, bread, and eggs.
Good. I also need clothes, a shirt and trousers.
Great. Let's make a shopping list.
Yes, a shopping list helps us remember everything.
Okay, repeat slowly. I need apples, bananas, tomatoes, milk, and bread.
I need apples, bananas, tomatoes, milk, and bread.
Perfect. And clothes?
I need a shirt and trousers.
Excellent. Repeat slowly. I need a shirt and trousers.
I need a shirt and trousers.
Good. Now we are ready to go shopping.
Wait, do you have your bag?
Oops, I forgot my bag.
Okay, I have an extra bag. Let's go.
Hello, we are at the store.
Wow, look at all the fruits.
Yes, let's start with apples.
How many apples do you want?
I want 4 apples.
I want 6 apples.
Repeat slowly. I want 4 apples.
I want 4 apples.
And you?
I want 6 apples.
Good. Now let's ask the shopkeeper. Excuse me, how much are these apples?
Repeat slowly. How much are these apples?
Very good. The shopkeeper says $2 each.
Oh, $2 for 1 apple. That is expensive.
Yes, maybe we can buy 3 apples.
Okay, repeat slowly. I want 3 apples.
Excellent. Let's look at bananas.
I want 6 bananas.
Repeat slowly. I want 6 bananas.
I want 6 bananas.
Good. And vegetables?
I want 5 tomatoes and 3 carrots.
Repeat slowly. I want 5 tomatoes.
I want 5 tomatoes.
And carrots?
I want 3 carrots.
Perfect.
Okay, bread and milk?
I want 1 bread.
I want 2 liters of milk.
Repeat slowly. I want 2 liters of milk.
I want 2 liters of milk.
Now let's go to the clothes section.
I like this shirt, but I need size medium.
Repeat slowly. Do you have this shirt in medium?
Do you have this shirt in medium?
Shopkeeper says, yes, here it is.
Thank you. I hope it fits.
And trousers?
I like these trousers. I need size 32.
Repeat slowly. Do you have these trousers in size 32?
Do you have these trousers in size 32?
Excellent. Here are important phrases for beginners. How much is this?
How much is this?
I want. Do you have? Can I try this on?
Can I try this on?
Can I have a bag, please?
Can I have a bag, please?
I will pay with cash or card.
I will pay with cash or card.
Let's practice. Can I try this on?
Can I try this on?
Perfect. And do you have this in another color?
Do you have this in another color?
Very good.
This shirt is nice, but a bit small.
Try a bigger size. Repeat slowly. Do you have a bigger size?
Do you have a bigger size?
Shopkeeper says, yes, here is size large.
Thank you.
And trousers?
The trousers are okay. I will buy them.
Great. Now let's talk about paying.
How can we pay?
You can pay with cash or card.
I only have cash.
No problem. Repeat slowly. I will pay with cash.
I will pay with cash.
Good. And can I pay by card?
Can I pay by card?
Perfect. Now we need bags.
Yes. Repeat slowly. Can I have a bag, please? Can I have a bag, please?
Good. Very polite.
Polite English is very important.
Sometimes we need to return or exchange items.
Oh, yes. What do we say?
Repeat slowly. I want to return this. I want to exchange this. Can I get a refund?
I want to return this. I want to exchange this. Can I get a refund?
Excellent. Very useful phrases.
Shopping is not just buying things. It is also practicing English.
Yes, we learned all important shopping phrases today.
Let's repeat the key phrases slowly. I want. How much is this? Do you have? Can I try this on? Can I have a bag, please? I will pay with cash, card. I want to return, exchange this.
Very good. Practice these phrases every day.
And tell us in the comments what you want to buy.
Yes, we want to know.
Thank you for listening. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.